Happy birthday, Tita Lian!
Happy birthday, Atch! Happy birthday to you!
Everything. Ready. One, two, three. Blow. Zoe. Yay! Blow, blow, blow. Tulungan mo.
Marami ngang nag-birthday ngayong August. Parang every week na lang meron kaming handaan. Una, si Daddy, sunod si Dara, and last si Atch naman. And to officially close our August birthdays, we had a simple but very meaningful get-together with the family. From lunch hanggang dinner, it turned into a food marathon filled with laughter, kwento, and love for our family. And for dinner nga, we went social-socialan with our own DIY smoked salmon with caviar on baguette. May cream cheese pa on the side. And syempre, na-partner din namin ito sa white and red wine. And parang ang saya lang ng ginagawa namin. Nagkaroon pa kami ng friendly contest kung sino ang pinakamagandang carp ng salmon. Pero at the end of the day, lahat din naman kinain namin. Walang nasayang na pagkain. It wasn't a grand party, no fancy setup, just a simple gathering with the people who matters the most. And that's what makes it so special because celebrations with family always turn into a memories we'll treasure forever. And we are grateful for another year, grateful for family, and grateful for the simple yet unforgettable moments with our families. Si Aina nga may prepared pang dance number para sa mga August celebrants. Ayan, at sinabayan pa siya ng mga pamangkin. It was a priceless entertainment and memories for us. And thank you, Lord, for the gift of family, for these moments that turn into lasting memories, for the joy of being together, and for the blessings of love that makes every celebration meaningful.
One more.
Sobrang cute picture.
Happy birthday